Lemon Pie Toy.
Hello and welcome to Lemon Pie Toys. Today we are looking at this gorgeous Hey Duggee magazine, and it's Hey Duggee and the Bug Badge. We're going to open this. So here we go. Here is the packet, and we've got, let's open it, let's see. Oh no! There is our bug badge, our dancing bug badge. And here we've got one bug, two bugs. He looks strong, but he's an ant. Three bugs. Oh, there's an ant. 4 bugs. 5 bugs. Little caterpillar. 6 bugs. 7 bugs. 8 bugs. 9 bugs. There's a spider. Ooh, he looks a bit angry, doesn't he? 10 bugs. Oh, they're cute. And 11 bugs. Buzz. Buzz. Hi, Duggee. It's a Duggee bug. Can you see? We're missing an antenna. That's alright, we've got it here. Maybe I can glue it back on. Let's have a look at this buggy. Duggee. Oh, buggy instead of Duggee. So he's got yellow, black, yellow and black, yellow and black. It's Buggy dressed up as a buzzy bee. Zzz. And he has wings. Zzz. Woof woof. Would you like to read a story, Duggee? Woof. Hey Duggee and the Honey Badge. One day the squirrels were playing outside when a delicious smell wafted over. Pancakes! The squirrels cried. Duggee had been busy in the clubhouse kitchen. There were 5 pancakes ready for the squirrels, but what would they have on top? Bananas, raspberries, raisins, blueberries, a big fat strawberry. Honey! Laughed the squirrels. But oh dear, the honey pot is empty, cried Tag. Never mind, Duggee knew just what to do. He's got his honey badge. Oh, woof, said Duggee. We can get honey from the bees, cried the squirrels. First, the squirrels learned all about how bees make honey. From flower to flower to flower flies the buzzy honeybee, collecting up the nectar, just as busy as can be. She takes the nectar to the hive, where the little worker bee makes it into honey so the queen can have her tea. Next, Duggee and the squirrels went outside to the beehive. Duggee turned the tap to get some of the honey, but it went gloop glug, and nothing came out. Said Duggee, and knocked on the hive. A tiny stripy door opened and a very important looking bee popped out. Can I help you? He asked.
Do you have any honey, please?
Asked Norrie. We're all out, said the bee controller. We need a nectar squadron to deliver the nectar, but they're late. Suddenly they heard a buzzy noise. It was the nectar squadron, but their runway was blocked. Oh no, our toys are in the way, cried Betty. So the squirrels stacked, rolled and packed their toys away. Runway clear, called Tag. Yay, called the squirrels as the nectar squadron came into land. Unload the cargoes, called the bee controller. The pilots connected the hose to each plane and the nectar was pumped into the hive. Hooray! Soon the worker bees had turned the nectar into honey. The queen had honey for her tea and she gave the squirrels a jar of honey for their pancakes. One is pleased. Hadn't the squirrels done well today? They had earned their honey badges. There was just time for one more thing. A Duggee hug. Aww. Can you remember what Duggee made the squirrels for breakfast? Was it cupcakes or pancakes? Who collected the nectar to make the honey? Was it the bees or the ducks? I hope you enjoyed the story today and we'll see you next time on Lemon Pie Toys. Bye!